Looking to upgrade your 2005 Chevrolet Cobalt's sound system but stuck because there's no official speaker adapter available? You're not alone. Finding the right fit can be frustrating, especially when you want to avoid modifying your original GM speakers. What if there was a simple solution that saves you time and hassle while delivering a solid, stable fit for your aftermarket speakers? I faced the same challenge and decided to try these speaker adapters despite the lack of a perfect match. When they arrived, I installed my aftermarket speakers into the adapters and tested the fit in the door. The holes aligned perfectly, but the adapter itself didn't fit snugly at first. Instead of giving up or risking damage, I took a Sawzall and carefully trimmed one side of the bracket, different for the right and left sides. After that quick adjustment, the adapters slid right into place, and the door panel snapped on without any issues. The speaker actually stabilized the bracket, making the whole setup feel secure. Sure, there was some plastic dust from cutting, but that was a small price to pay for a clean, professional-looking installation that stays hidden inside the door. If you're considering upgrading your Chevy Cobalt speakers but don't want to mess with complicated modifications, these adapters are worth a look. They provide what you need: a reliable, stable mount that fits almost perfectly with just a minor tweak. It's a practical, cost-effective way to enhance your car's sound without the headaches. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a smoother installation experience.